Hello everybody, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends, and today I'm going to give you a real quick video on how to make a little quick check of your unit, and you can do it anytime you walk by your unit and it's running. Summertime this pipe is cold, wintertime this pipe is hot. So with the unit running, you have to reach down here and you see that copper pipe right there? Okay, I just turned it off and it's still hot. Okay, that's where your heat is. And if that line is cool, then it means you doesn't have enough freon in it. So anytime you check it, that line's got to be hot and heating, cold and cooling. Quick little check, you'll know right off the bat. Thank you. Subscribe, like, hit the notification button. Thank you for watching.